Hello, my dear students. In today's lesson, we are going to review more about present simple. Well, in this case, I'm going to show you about the conjugation of present simple for affirmative sentence in the third person and the other people. Yeah, for the third person, we're going to use he, she, and it, a special conjugation. And I'm going to show you how are we going to conjugate our verbs. Yeah. The first that we have, in this case, the base form of my verb, and the present simple for I, you, we, and Dave, and the present simple for he, she, and it. Yeah, I write this in this way because present simple for the third person is different than for the other people. Yeah, in this case we have the verb form. The verb form is gonna be, well, this is the infinitive, to do. The base form is gonna be just the base form without the preposition to. So it's the infinitive without preposition to. So we're going to raise the prepositions to. Instead of say to do, we're going to say just do. Instead of say to go, we're going to say just go. Yeah, that is the base form of our verbs. So we have do, go, watch, mix, kiss, study, fly, cry, play, enjoy, and work. Yeah. So why I have written them? In this case, because we are gonna see the conjugation. If you can see here, we have a verb that ends in letter O. So we have the verb do, and in a present tense affirmative, we can say I do, you do, we do, they do, and for the third person, he, she, and it, I had to add the word es. Yeah, instead of say he do, that's not correct. We have to say he does. So we have to add the letter es. So it is he does. Yeah. We have the word go. The ending is letter O again. Yeah. But for the third person, he, she, or it, we're gonna say, for example, she goes. She goes shopping. I go shopping. You go shopping. We go shopping. They go shopping, but he goes shopping. She goes shopping. It goes shopping. So in that case, we have to add the ending es. Then we have the word wash, ch, watch, ch, mix, the ending is x, and kiss, the ending is letter S, double S. Yeah. On that cases, we are gonna add the letter es for the third person. Yeah. So we have O, sh, ch, x, or ss. We are gonna add es. So instead of saying he do, is he does. She goes. It washes. It washes. Mixes. Kisses. Yeah. On that cases, we are going to add just the letter es. Yeah. And under here we have this way of doing this. Okay. Then we have another verse. In this case, we have the ending y. Study, fly, cry, and we have also play and enjoy. Yep. But in this case, we are going to conjugate a little different. We have to pay attention on the letter before the letter Y. Yeah. In this case, for example, we have the word study. We have the letter D. Letter D is a consonant. Yeah. Consonant is a letter that is not a vowel. And vowels are 5 letters. These are vowels. Vowels are letter A, E, I, O, and U. So there are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And the letters that are not vowels are consonants. In this case, we have the letter D. We have the letter L. It is consonant. We have the letter R. Cry. It is consonant. And we have the letter A. Play or enjoy. So, fly, cry, and study. This verb have a consonant before the letter Y. In those cases, we are going to erase the letter Y and we are at I-E-S for the third person. So I may say, I study, but he studies. Yeah. You fly, but she flies. We may say, they cry, but it cries. So in this case, we have to add the IES at the end of my verb in order to conjugate them in affirmative sentence. Yeah. Then, for the cases that we have the vowel sound, for example, play, enjoy, we have letter A and letter O. On those cases, the only thing that we have to do is to add the letter S. Yeah. He plays, she plays, she enjoys, it enjoys, he enjoys, but they enjoy, I enjoy, we enjoy, something like that. Yeah. And the other ones, for all the other parts, just add the letter S. For example, I work, he works. I dance, she dances. Yeah. On those cases, you add just the letter S. As I told you, this is going to be just on the cases that we talk about affirmative sentence. Because if you remember, the grammar rule for affirmative sentence is this. The subject plus my verb in present, and the complement. Yeah. So in this case, if we have, for example, I'm going to make a sentence with the word go. Yeah. My subject is going to be she. I'm going to conjugate the verb in present simple. She goes. She goes shopping. Now, with the same verb, but with the the personal pronoun they. Yeah. For they, I'm going to say they go. They go shopping. And we had the affirmative sentence. Now we have a negative sentence. For negative sentence, we are going to do it different. Yeah. For negative sentence, we are going to need a subject, and then we're going to use the auxiliary verb. We had auxiliary verb. Our auxiliary verb is going to be the verb do. Yeah. Conjugating do, does, plus the word not. In this case, we can use don't, or we can use doesn't. Yeah. After that, we are going to write the verb in the base form, in base. So what is the base form? Our first line is the infinitive without the preposition to. So it means do, go, watch, make, kiss, study, fly, cry, play, enjoy, and work. Yeah. On this case, we have subject plus done or doesn't plus the verb in the base form plus the complement. So the complement. Yeah. So for example, if we say affirmative, she goes shopping, negative, she doesn't. Yeah. She doesn't. And my base form, in this case, present simple is goes, but the base form is go. She doesn't go shopping. So we have the complement shopping. She doesn't go shopping. Yeah. And it is negative. All the time that you have the auxiliary verb, this auxiliary verb is telling you that you're talking about negative sentence for the third person. He doesn't go shopping. She doesn't go shopping. It doesn't go shopping. Yeah. I don't smoke, but he doesn't smoke. So the negative for they is going to be they don't. Yeah. So we use they don't go shopping. Yeah. So you remember, it's a base form. We have the same go and go. The only thing that is going to change is my auxiliary verb. She doesn't go shopping. They don't go shopping. Yeah. And the last one is for questions. Yeah. For questions, you remember sometimes we can use a double word. What is a double word? when, why, how often, how many, how. Any word that we use to ask a question is going to be a double word. After the double word, we're going to use the auxiliary do or does. After the auxiliary, we are going to use the verb in the base form again. Verb in base form. After that, we are going to use the complement. Well, the complement, yeah? And, well, complement. And also, this is a question, so we have to use our question mark, yeah? And in this way, we're going to write the questions. For example, if I say, do you play soccer? Soccer is my complement. We have the question mark. Do, we don't have double word. That is why it is in brackets. So we don't have in this case. This is a direct question. Do you play soccer? You can say, yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he play soccer? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. When I write a double word, for example, why do you learn English? Yeah. Why do you learn English? In that case, so we have double word. Yeah. Why? You can say just, yes, I do. No, I don't. You have to give me a reason. You have to give me an answer. Why do you learn English? Yeah. You may say, to travel around the world. Yeah. To get a better job. To improve my pronunciation. I don't know. So, once you finish to see this video, please write this answer on the comments in YouTube. Yeah. Tell me, why do you learn English? And that is all for today. Thank you. And this is the grammar for present simple.